Hi guys, I'm Shloka from L1 and today you're going to be learning how to turn in your homework. I have been in CHS for 4 years and I absolutely love it. Teams might be a bit challenging at first, but once you get a hang of it, it's the best thing you've ever seen. I would say completing homework has 2 steps. One is to actually complete the homework and on time, and this is your responsibility of course, but the second step is to turn in the homework in teams. So the teacher knows you've completed the work, because if you haven't turned it in, then your teacher will think you haven't done the work. But don't worry, because that's what you'll be learning in this video. First, click on the button which says Teams, and you should immediately be directed to this page. To this page. So this is where all of your subjects should be. So we have these. You can have more or less than I have here. So I want to turn in my math assignment. So I'll click on the team. It says math here, so I'm on the right one. And we have this: homepage, class notebook, classwork, assignments, grades, reflect, insights, and parents. So the one we want to go to is assignments. So before I continue with explaining the 3 sections here, I want to tell you that you can even go to click this button and then do the same process I do with this assignment. So the only thing that's different there is basically you don't have only one subject. They're like all your subjects assignments shown there. So we'll continue with the sections. We have upcoming, past due, and completed. Completed, of course, is the homework that you've completed so far. Next, we have past due, which is the folder where assignments that are not completed on time end up in. I'll give you an example. We all know that homework has due dates. Let's say in our example, an assignment is due on December 30th, 2024 at 5:29 p.m., which is today, the day I'm recording this video. If I don't complete the assignment by the date and time given, then this assignment ends up in the folder past due, which is the folder we're looking at. It also notifies the teacher that you've submitted late, so we better avoid doing that and submit assignments on time. Lastly, we have upcoming, which is where you'll see the homework that the teacher set for you this week. So, now we're going to see how to submit the assignment when you've finished it. So you go to upcoming and click on the assignment you finished. So here you'll see the date, which is tomorrow, so that means it's due on December 31st, and the time, 4:29 a.m. So for me, the time is this because I live in India, but you guys could have any other times. So the next section the section that's there is instructions. So this is where the teacher will tell you what you have to do for the homework. Now points. Points is where your teacher will grade your assignment and tell you how good you've done. So depending on the points you get for the assignment is how good you've done. And last but not least, we have my work. This is, as you guessed, where you upload the work you've done. There are 2 ways to put your homework there. We'll start with the button attach. So here we have 4 options: OneDrive, Link, Teams, and upload from device. So in OneDrive, you can have anything that's here. You can attach anything that's here. It should be in this place in order to put it in from OneDrive. So let's say I want to turn in something from this folder. So we'll click on it and then click on attach. So I already have my assignment here, so I'll just remove it. You can click on remove it. Okay, that's one way. Link is another way. So you can copy and paste the link that you want. Example, you have done a Google document. Then you can keep the you can paste the link here, and then you can even name it here. So since I haven't put anything in here, the attach button has grayed out for me, but For you, after you put in these details, then you can just click on attach. So I click on cancel because I already have my work here, but you guys have to click on attach. Okay, now we have Teams. So we have other classes here. The classes are actually named Teams in Teams. So Microsoft Teams, of course. So you can click on any other subject. Example, I've done my math homework in another subject. Then I can actually click on the subject and attach it instead from there. So don't worry, again, the attach button has grayed out for me because I've already put in, because I haven't put the details, but it should be blue for you, and then you can click on it. So that's these three. Now let's look at upload from device. So this is where you can upload anything that you've downloaded on this device. So my default app is Files because I'm using a Chromebook, but you guys can have any other type of Files app here. So I want to do this. So you click on this and you click on open. You guys could have any other button, but for Chromebook it should be open, and then you can just click on the button that is next to the cancel. So we have it here. Now we'll go to new, which is another way. We have Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, class notebook page, flip video recording, and whiteboard. So guys, don't worry if you don't have these apps installed, because after you have your CHS email ID, then all of these apps are enabled for you. You don't need to download it, you just need to click on it and you'll have a new Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, or class notebook page. Flip video recording is just a normal video recording that you can just click on and then you can just record it. And whiteboard is just a whiteboard where you can just put some ideas up in a nice colorful way. So if you guys don't know what these are, I'm sure everybody knows these three. Word document is basically like where you can just type. It's just like an online document. Excel spreadsheet is kind of like a math workbook. And PowerPoint presentation, I'm sure you guys know this, but if you guys don't, then it's the app where you can make slideshows. So this might not be a bit familiar to you, but don't worry because you'll learn more about Class Notebook in another video. But you can click on this. Oh, this is new, okay. So sadly this isn't working for me. New Class Notebook page. Let me try again. This isn't supposed to happen, guys. It should work for you. Okay, it's still not working. It's okay. I'm sure it'll work for you guys. So I think, yeah. So here you have the title that you can name your page, and then there's different sections in Class Notebook, so you can click on the section you want to put it in, and then you can click on attach, which is supposed to be in the place where we have cancel right now. And it should end up here. It looks just like this because I've used this before, but I don't know why it doesn't work today. That's really weird. So to check whether it's loaded in properly, you have to click on it and it's loaded. Yes, it works. Okay, perfect. So I'll click on close and I'm ready. Now after you're done uploading the work, you click on the blue button which says turn in. It says turn in again for me right now because I undid turning my homework for the sake of this video. But after you click on this button, it gives you a satisfying illustration. Oh, we have a pinata. So right now we saw a pinata, but then usually I see a giraffe eating leaves and disappearing back into a hole. So like this, there are many other illustrations that happen, and that's my favorite part of turning in my homework. When you get this and the blue button turns into under turn in, which we see here, then that means that you successfully turned in your homework. When you turn your assignment, that means you cannot edit your work anymore. It doesn't matter which form it is in, but when you undo your assignment, you can then edit the work. But this also notifies the teacher, so I recommend double checking the work and then submitting it. I hope this video helps. And don't worry, if you have any other questions, you can always put a text and I'll always find out the answer. In case you missed out my name in the beginning, it's Shloka Mupaneni. So you can just search it up here and message me. Drop me a message. Thank you.